Hey guys, welcome to Art Geek Store, and in this video I will be reviewing the iDance EB-X206 in-ear stereo headphones for the iDevices. Now these earphones are compatible with the iPhone, iPod and the iPads, so these are basically only for the iDevices. So without further ado, let's get straight on into the review. Now coming to the main in-ear part of the headphones, as you can see that the outer cup is made out of smooth metal and it is pretty shiny, so it gives that a very attractive look. And as you can see on the side, it says iDance, so that is the company. So overall I feel that it looks pretty cool and it looks really very attractive, and it is made out of metal as I said before, and that gives it an even more attractive look. At the back of the cup, as you can see, we have the iDance logo as well. Also on the bottom of the ear cups you can see that it says R, so there is the place where it denotes whether it is the right earphone or the left one. So it is near where the wire is connected to the earphone. Now one major plus point in these earphones I feel is that the cable or the wire is not being made out of rubber, rather it is a woven cable, or in other words it has been made out of cloth. So this is a major benefit for the user to carry, and it also does not easily break because it is made out of cloth, and also it does not easily get entangled, so the user can easily carry it. And overall I feel that these earphones are very user friendly. Now in between the woven cable, as you can see, we have a play and pause button for the songs or for the music that is being played. So this makes it easier for the user to play and pause the songs, and he does not need to unlock his phone and play or pause the song, whereas he can just play or pause it with one click using the button that has been provided in between the woven cable. If you closely look in between the woven cable near the right side of these earphones, there is an inbuilt microphone. So this makes it easier for the user to attend calls while he is listening to music, or maybe if he is using the earphones for call purposes, so he does not need to release the earphones from the device he is using to talk. Rather, he can easily talk using the microphone that has been provided in the woven cable. Now another thing I like about these earphones is that in the box in which the earphones come, we get 3 different sizes of the silicone gel earbud sleeves, including the one that is already fit into the earphones. So in total we get 3 of them. So this is the reason the user gets 3 different sizes to choose from, namely the small, medium and large, and he can choose any one of them from according to the size he requires. So this makes it even more user friendly. Now finally, coming to the specifications of the earphones, as you can see, we have a 3.5mm jack, which is a 4-pole gold plated one, and the cord is around 1.2 meters, and overall the earphones weigh around 14 grams, and that's pretty light. So as I said before, overall these earphones are very user friendly and I would definitely recommend them to you. So guys, that was my review for the iDance EB-X206 in-ear stereo headphones for the iPod, iPad and iPhone. And that's all about this video. I genuinely do hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. As always, I will catch you in the next. Thank you.